Hi guys, today we have ordered one item. So the name of the item is telescope. Okay, so the branding is very simple and the quality of this product we are not sure of. Okay, if it is in good quality or what. Let's check out this one. What's inside the box? So let's begin by cutting this tape. So very simple box, nothing is special. So this is the mounting for the mobile, I guess. This is the mobile mount. This is the tripod stand. Okay, and inside, as you can see, yeah, there's something more in the box. There's something to hold the product. Okay, so these are total items in the box. This one, this one, this one, along with this one. Now let's open this one. This is the one. So right from the beginning, you can see the product quality is like this. The thing which was supposed to hold this one is not working. So now this one is already okay out of this. So let's see. Yeah, this is the lid of this one. This is the lid of this one. Let me check this one very quickly. This one is a monocular used for mobile, or you can use it as a standalone. As you can see, while unboxing, this came out. So the quality of the product is not that good. So let's check how is the assembly of this one. Guys, let's check out some sample video. Let's see how it performs. So this is the shot taken from mounting this monocular. As you can see, you can barely focus on anything. As you can see, the focus is not okay. It's getting blurry. Now let's compare it to the normal zoom of the camera. As you can see, this is recorded from a normal camera without any mount. Where I recorded, as you can see. Now from a normal mobile, if you can zoom, so you can get better results in this. As you can see, I can easily read the number plates, but this way they are far more focused. So as for the signage is written on the door, I can still read those zooming from this mobile. So as you can see, the zoom on the mobile is usable. The quality of tripod stand is just okay, not that good. The finishing of the product is not as per the expectation. Okay, and regarding this mount, mobile mount, this mount is very bad mount. Let me tell you why. The reason why I am saying it is very bad mount, because the tightness of this hinge, it is very tight. You always have fear of cracking your mobile, and it always feels insecure to put your mobile in the hinge. The quality of monocular is good, okay, but however we cannot say the same thing about the accessories in the box. The accessories, specifically this mobile mount, it is not of that good quality.